Hello, and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. I'm Frank Calderone. Last week, ending July 25th, the major indexes moved higher as strong corporate earnings and trade optimism pushed investors to the buy side. The leading economic index remained below the diffusion line of 50 for the third consecutive month. However, a recession is not imminent, just a slowdown in consumer spending during the second half of the year. Existing home sales were weaker than expected in June. However, home prices continue to move higher as the median price for a single family home was $441,500 in June compared to $432,900 last June. The new home sales market continued to struggle in June as builders are having to bring down prices. The median sales price of a new home in June was $401,800, 5% below May's price of $422,700. And finally, durable goods orders declined 9.3% as new orders of transportation equipment led the decline. Year to date, the Dow is up 5.5%. The S&P is up 8.6%, and the Nasdaq is up 9.3%. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 4.38%. Oil closed at $65.43 a barrel. Gold closed at $3,337.32 an ounce, with silver closing at $38.18 an ounce. For this week of July 28th, Tuesday we'll get wholesale and retail sales data, the home price index, consumer confidence, and job openings. Wednesday, second quarter GDP data, pending home sales, and the Fed decision on interest rates will be reported, followed by Fed Chairman Powell's press conference. Thursday, we'll get personal income and personal spending data, the PCE price index, and core PCE price index. The PCE price index measures the changes in the prices that consumers pay for goods and services. And on a busy Friday, the employment report, the unemployment rate, manufacturing data, auto sales, construction spending, and consumer sentiment all will be reported. And as always, we'll keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. If you have any questions with anything you've heard in this video, please give us a call. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. Have a fantastic week. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.